Okay, I'm rolling.
Oh. Who's this? Samson.
If it's you, Jane, your shoe's coming off.
Ah,
I'm a hound
No,
dog.
you think I'm joking.
Marsha, come here. Samson. Come here. Samson. Samson. Oh, God.
Bandit? Anybody? Doesn't matter.
I don't. Just whoever.
Bandit.
Look next. Is Bandit next to Marsha's name? Okay.
What's wrong with this?
Bandit.
Look at the picture that says Bandit, because it might not really be the name.
Do we have the
What's wrong with this dog's eyes?
Huh?
What's wrong with this dog's eyes?
I know.
Samson.
He's a sweet dog. Oh yeah, there's a hole.
Is there a picture?
Hi, buddy. Huh?
Are we looking for him?
So just so they can see what he looks like. It might be Speck. I don't know. Speck or Bandit, but that's the one that they were looking at. He's real fat.
Marsha, no. There's nothing even on here.
Huh?
There, Mr. Buddy Bella.